The Request section. This section covers the full request flow, from creating and submitting requests to managing and approving them efficiently. Start by opening the We module. Go to the Request section to create any company-related request, whether for resources, documents, or other needs. The system automates the process, making it easy to submit and track requests. Before creating your request form, go to Settings to set up notification templates and approval flows for requests. You can create 2 notification templates for requesters, one for approvals and one for rejections. Simply set a template name and add the appropriate messages for system, push, and email notifications, using variables to personalize and automate the content. Go to Approval Flows to assign approvers for your request forms. You can create a unique approval flow for each type of request. Add approval details. Set an approval flow name. Choose whether approvers receive requests sequentially, and define the approval period with working or calendar days. Use the toggle to decide whether the request created on behalf of employees, by admins or others with access, should go through an approval flow. Select the type and assign approvers here. You can add as many approvers as needed. If there are people who should see the requests but not approve them, you can add them here and turn on the View Only toggle. Access request forms to create and manage new or existing request form templates for your company. By Step 1, give your request a title, write a description including usage guidelines or relevant information, and choose an icon and color to display in the system. Use the plus add button under Request Items to define what information users need to provide. Enter a title for the information you want users to fill in. Select the field type to determine how users will enter their responses for your request. Enable the required toggle to make this input field mandatory for submission. You can add different items here to collect all the information you need. Click Save and continue to move on to form configuration. Enable approval required if submissions need to go through an approval process, and select the relevant approval flow you created in Settings. If you want requesters to receive notifications after decisions are made, toggle Send Notification and select the notification templates you created. Use Save and continue to keep these settings and move to Step 3, where you can preview the form, add employees who should have access, and attach documents if needed. Go to the Employees section and choose the users who should have access to submit this type of request. When adding employees, you can use the filter to quickly find and select specific users by their branch office, department, position, or other available criteria. Click Add to confirm your employee selection and proceed. In the Documents section, you can add templates to make creating request-related documents faster and easier. Choose the document template you previously added in the system settings and save it. All done with the request form, click Save and Add to activate it. Go to My Requests to view your added requests and create new ones. Here, you can view your request along with its details, status, approvers, any linked requests, and generated documents, and you can also create new requests. By clicking Add Request, you will see only the request forms you have access to according to the request configurations. After selecting the request type, fill in the required details and submit your request. When included in a request approval flow, you will see requests awaiting your approval in this section. When you open a request, you'll see the requester's info, their submitted details, the approvers, and you can approve or reject it right away. Also, by clicking the three dots on a request, you can respond directly from there and generate documents if needed. To generate the document, specify its category, select the appropriate template and format, make any necessary text edits, and save it. The generated document will be visible in the general view, right under the title. By clicking on it, you can view or download the document. In the Manage section, all company requests are visible to admins and to anyone who has been given access to this section. As in My Requests, you can see who submitted each request, its approval stage, the approvers, request date, status, and other relevant details. Here, if any requests are related, you can link them together. You can search for a request or select an employee to filter their requests, making it easier to link them. Documents can be generated here in the same way as from the My Requests section. This covers the Request section, how to create request forms, add requests, approve them, and more.